Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I have shared the list of top 5 best toilet paper brands in India. Toilet paper is probably the most common household item that everyone uses on a daily basis. It is also used by millions of people every day. It is the most effective way to deodorize, clean up messes and control bacteria. Please watch the video till the end. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe.